All right, good morning, traders. So I'm waiting to see if we get Hal on the line here, but my swing on DATS looking pretty good. I'm still holding. Just broke this downtrend here in pre-market. So if it can break back over 5, I think this may start moving again. If not, I'm just going to lock it out. But either way, it's a decent little swing. So let's scan, see what else we got going on. And first, let's take a look at the SPY. See what the SPY is doing. And back in that channel consolidation. GOVX, MNDUS, MRIN. NCTY, SSY. All right, let's take a look and see what we got going on here. So GOVX, just take this out until Hal calls. Presented COVID-19 vaccine data, and it's not really that good of news. It is going to be gapping up over all the EMAs at 735, so it's like right through here. Yeah, so basically it's got to break 8. Let's see, what is that, 8? Yeah, it's got to break $8 to be able to continue to run. I can get my line right. You know what? Whoops. Let me use a good line. An easy line. You get a line and I'll get a pole, baby. That's how we're starting it off, guys. Singing already. There we go. That took a long time for that line. Alright, so there. We know that's got to break 8. Because basically going to be, yeah. It may try it. It may curl over up to 8 here at market open. MUDS, that is ugly. GMVD, no news. I don't like it. NCTY, so they signed an investment memorandum to establish another cryptocurrency joint mining thing. Yeah, I don't know about that. We'll keep it on watch. MRIN, common stock shelf offering. That's wild. I don't think I like that either. Good morning, Lori Lee. Happy Friday, Donnell. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it on watch for now, but I don't know about it. I don't like it. SSY, no news. And very low float though. And Mike could get some action. Oh yeah, no, I don't even want. Why is PMCB even showing up on my scanners? I don't want to see that thing. All right, so not much of a watch list. All I'm liking is DATS. If it can continue. Ugh, it's about to sneeze there. Oh, there's Hal. All right.
What's up, Ben?
What's up? Good morning, Hal and Hal Peoples.
Yeah, we had our therapy session already this morning. I was letting them know about, the grandiose
Oh God.
fall. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's time to hop back on the saddle.
Yep. And you know what? It did pop back up today.
Did it?
Yep, pop back up to 275. So it would have been 10 cents away from my from where that entry was, but I was like, "Oh well, I just cut the loss."
Yeah, man. Because it could have easily just kept dropping. Like,
Yep.
I don't know what that was just looking at, but it looked horrible. I'm not seeing too much to really trade this morning.
Yeah, me either.
Besides DATS, if it can break 5.
Yeah. What was I about to say? Yeah, all I have on my scanner is GOVX and MRIN, which I mean, they're moving aftermarket, but they have kind of started walking down that path of just going down.
Yeah, I don't like MRIN either. It doesn't. They had a common shelf offering too.
On MRIN?
Yeah, it's a PR this morning, 5:15. Marin Software filing shows registration for 50 million common stock shelf offering.
Well, you know what that means? I can't touch it with a 50-foot pole.
that's what I was like, because it's saying they also unveiled integration with Criteo Commerce Media Platform, and that's
Oh,
why it
dang.
surged. But the
Yeah.
common offering was before that news come out, so I don't know, man. I
Bro,
don't like it.
that's a fresh shelf registration too. That's like 7 days ago.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I don't know about that. I don't think I want to touch that. I was already
Yeah.
iffy on it. I was just like, ugh. And I got GOVX too. That one looks alright. SSY is one of your low float babies, your super low floats.
Yeah, I looked at it, but it just can't hold on my scanner. It's not strong enough. If it can't hold on my scanner, I ain't touching it.
It's not. It's got a nice uptrend.
It can
Rebreak.
have all. It
Rebreak
can
at
have the
3.
trend. It can have color coding. It can have whatever it wants. I'm following my rules. Forget all that.
Hey, okay, nice, Brian. You made some money off GOVX buying it yesterday. Nice job.
Nice, nice, nice.
Good morning, Brian. Dope Kaleidoscope GRNQ biggest gapper. GRNQ is not showing up on my scanners at all. Oh, that's probably why. Let's see. Develop world's first GEO-LEO integrated satellite network and services platform.
What's that ticker?
Joint venture partnership, GRNQ.
Oh, I heard about this one before. We traded this one before. You remember it burned everybody. We traded this one before. I remember this one.
I don't remember it, but
Well,
I have lines on my chart, so I definitely traded it.
well, yeah, we talked about it, and yeah, it was not a green day.
Let's see, it's open at $1.35. It's opening right below the 200 day, so it's going to have to break 150. Yeah, that's where it got held up in pre-market. That's the pre-market high. Right around that 148 area, but basically 150. So break of 150, that could move. And then let's see what kind of resistance we got. We got resistance at 186, 175, $2. A lot of congestion on the back side of the chart, so I don't know.
Yeah,
Little higher float too.
Yep. Let's
It's
go and
very
look at
it's very good PR. The PR is really nice, but I don't know. Everything else is a little rough on it. I want to keep it on my watch list.
It has shelf registrations for this month as well. It has shelf registration amendment yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that could be a sneak.
Fresh blood in the water.
Yeah, that could be bad.
Yep. So it had the original shelf registration on the 4th of this month, and then they amended. Now, one thing, it's always shady for a company to go back into a shelf registration and be doing amendments. It's like they're already like, you know what, let's make some changes here in this shelf registration. And why would they need to amend it 16 days, 15 days after they do the shelf registration? Why would they need to go back in and change things?
Because they know what's up. They know. They're like, hey, we're
Exactly.
about to make some money. We just hit a lower year. Yeah.
Exactly. So I like to watch out for those shelf registration amendments as well. Going back in there, touching documents and going on. They're like, yeah, you know, you read the fine print, but we changed it.
Yeah, exactly. Man, DATS is looking the best, man. Back up over $5, man. This thing's gonna rip today. I think it's gonna.
DHTS.
No, DATS, man. The one I've been swinging.
Oh, yeah. You've been in that.
I know, man. It's looking really, really solid, though.
It gapped down a little bit.
I mean, it just ran to 560. It ran from $4 to 560. That's a $1.60 move. That's not much of a gap down to 480, and then now it's rebounded back to 5.
Mm-hmm.
It's got potential. There's some major resistance at 525, though. You can see it right there in after hours, and then on that high of yesterday. So it's got to break 525. It could keep going. But this daily chart is a sweet daily chart.
Oh, yeah. It's going straight up. I mean, you have support. Let's see. You got support at 350, 375s, $4, 425. Looks like every quarter dollar is checked off and kept going higher.
Yeah, man.
That's nice. That's nice.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Appreciate that, Brian. You giving everybody a little pep talk. You've had a great week. You've nailed it, killed it this week. Great job. I'm not seeing much else. Well, all right. I guess we'll break off here and see how everything goes. Looks like a little sketchy day again.
Yeah, I'm in my zone today, bro. I'm not playing any games. No games played. All right, bro.
All right. We'll talk to you in a little bit.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I may end up adding to DATS if it continues to push up here. But yeah, we'll take a quick little break before we get started. And I'm not really, I don't really care about right at the bell, so I'll be right back. Alright, so a little pullback on DATS, but it's alright. We'll keep an eye on it. GRNQ testing, trying to test that 150 area. Alright, MRN's starting to push a little. I don't like what's got going on though. SSY popping up here. NVIV. Oh, I see BTBT popping up. Yes, sir. Got a little upper shadow there. Going. Starting to push up to this 13. See if it can break here. Yeah, there it goes. Starting to break 13. See if it can keep it going. I'm at 1297, so. There we go. Looking good. Pushing. 10-day just crossed over the 40 DMA, the purple there. So struggling a little bit there with 13. A little bit of selling pressure there. Bitcoin's pushing up. Let's see if, cryptos have been hot the last couple of days, so I've been waiting to see if BTBT is going to start getting action again. You're going to get me again, BTBT. FLGC popping up today too. So we got to break this downtrend. We may be starting to form a little triangle on BTBT if this candle can stay above 1250. SSY. Gotta break 346. going on this too. I'm gonna look for a scalp up to that 350 area and see if that 350 area can break. Testing 330 right now. And a little pullback though, so we got a minute left on this candle. It needs to push back up over 315. There it goes. Yeah, BTBT's making a triangle. I like the way that's looking. Ten is trying to cross over 40 DMA now. The FLGC had a spike up, but it's still below the 10-day moving average, which I don't like. Yeah, so we got a downtrend here. This needs to hold up $3. Cat B. That's close to breaking for all new high year. Put that on the list. See, NSTY. That's not doing anything. I'm going to take it off. MRIN dumping. That's what I kind of figured. Don't want to deal with that. GRNQ did a little dumpski. So I'm going to take that off. Okay, so SSY holding up $3 support. That's what I'm going to see. BTBT trying to push back over 13, trying to push out of this triangle. Yeah, come on, boy. Come on, boy. You can do it. Break that 13. Check. So we got a shelf registration on this because I don't like how slow it's moving. This is super low float, so. Nope, they don't have any shelf registration, so that's a good thing. SPY's back up to 440. Yeah, this market's rebounding right there. BTBT still breaking out, very nice. Don't drop below 3 SSY. Okay, buyer's still coming in at 3. There you go, BT. Keep climbing. That a girl. DATS. Yeah, that's alright. As long as it stays above 475, I'll probably keep holding it. So BT pushed up to 1340. See how much more you got in you. That's wide, trying to get back above 310. We got 30 seconds for this candle to close. 10 adaptive is above the 40 DMA, so that's a bullish sign. Unless this closes below. Just to stay above us. I don't like it's pushing back down to 3 in the last second of this candle. There we go, starting to push back up some. BT still looking good. The ATS trying to hold that up. GovX looking like crap. FLGC not doing anything either. Yeah, so I like where I'm at on these two stocks. GRNQ messed you up. Well, you notice I looked at it once and then that's not on my watch list anymore. It's Friday, so Fridays are always wonky. You gotta always remember that. Fridays can be very, very weird. GMVD, that's not doing anything. PXLW, I don't like the way that looks. Well, that was MRN I was looking at. Actually, I do like the way PXLW looks. That might be a possible play. Don't you sell off on me here. Gotta stop testing this 3 support. Gotta get back up there testing at 320. Look at this on a higher time frame. Yeah, on the higher time frame on the 15-minute, we're actually not looking too bad. Got strong resistance at that 308, 310 area on the 15-minute. Cracks out the bottom of that triangle. It's going to be all she wrote. And getting very close to cracking out of the bottom of that triangle. Support at 285 as well. This should hold up the bottom of this triangle. There's some past chart support. It held up, but it is looking pretty sketchy. Let's see it get back over 290. There we go. Struggling to get back over 290. We are starting to see some bid stack there, so I feel a little bit better about that. BTBT, another little pullback. As long as it stays above the adaptive, though, that's fine. TATS bouncing off of there. BTBT, okay, it's testing the adaptive right now. See the market watch. The market's pretty green. GR and Q trying to slowly come back up. The GR and Q one of the ones that had the shelf registration? R and Q. Yeah, they had two. They had the amended one. Both of those just 2 weeks ago, not that long ago. Double shelf registrations. Alright, SSY, you gotta hold up here. I just don't trust GRNQ. It's looking like it wants to continue to rip, but see it 200 days at 150, so it's got to break 150. I don't know. Those shelf registrations made me not feel good about it. So that's why I'm holding up so far. BTBT with a little drop. I don't see that drop. Oh, that's why I just started. Man, as soon as I turn my head. God, it's going to be another loss. These quick drops down. See, it bounced off the 200 last time. Let's go and move this uptrend. Big buyers coming in above 275. Damn, everything is dropping right now. GRNQ halted on the way up. It's the only thing not dropping. PXLW trying to push up, and he getting a little action. The 275 cracks there. I got to get out. Trying to hold. Nice job, Donnell, getting some profits there on GRNQ, even with those double shelf registrations. $50 days at 265. Yeah, 275 should hold. It's pretty strong support. If it cracks 275, then it is what it is. There's no reason that should crack. FLGC rebounding a little bit. Possibly could get going again. I want to take a shot on it. 570 million. That's pretty good. Okay, good. SSY is bouncing off that 275. PMCB with a little pop-up. PTPT trying to come back up as well. How much volume have we had on FLGC? 3 million. If I can get filled, or I wanted to get filled. Oh, come on. There we go. I like the red little ugly candle there followed by this green candle. Well, this green candle hasn't closed, so it still could dump. I like the way that looks. And FLGC having pretty decent PR. And that 40 DMA is coming up to 200. So this candle just needs to hold above 1050. Which we got 3 minutes for it to close to see if it can do it. BT's got to break this downtrend. Got a little bit of a triangle there. Come on, FLGC. Don't you push back down right now. I was looking pretty good. Now not looking so good. Good morning, Lord. You lost your moderator status? Are you serious? From help or meet Kevin or whatever? Well, guess what? Now you got moderator status on this channel because I care about my subscribers. You're a new moderator, Lauren. How about that? So fixing to close, FLGC needs to come back up over 1050. this last 30 seconds. Not that you cared. I've seen the last couple of days Meet Kevin's had some, I haven't watched the videos because I just don't have time to watch stuff other than the videos that I edit. But I saw he's needing help or something. He's struggling. Something's happening with YouTube. Maybe they're trying to come down on him because he's actually ahead in the polls against Governor Newsom. So shout out to Meet Kevin for pulling ahead of that douchebag. But yeah, I don't know what he needs help for. I haven't watched the videos. Okay, BTBT back over 13. FLGC almost to 1050. And SSY still here just consolidating. He's getting blacklisted. They're trying not to let him debate. Yeah, see, I knew they were gonna start pulling dirty games on him because he's not in the establishment. That's why I wanted him to win, because I want an actual financial entrepreneur person to take over California and actually maybe do something, anything other than what they're doing. FLGC coming back up to 1055. Yeah, that's not surprising. He's not part of the Democrat establishment, so they're not gonna, listen to him at all. They're gonna block him out completely. So I hope he mops the floor with Newsom. I hope he absolutely mops the floor with Newsom, and then they all feel real stupid for ignoring him. See FLGC breaking over that triangle. Very nice. Let's see if I can continue to run. Break over 11. BTBT trying to get back going. SSY still slowly trying to get up. My swing is still holding this 200-day moving average. Might have to lock it out though. I want to see it pull back too much more. Come on, FLGC. Get over 11. Get on up there. Very nice. 40 DMA. There you go. That a girl. Push through that 11. Now BTBT, little fake out breakout there. So I may have to get out of it in a second. I'm just going to put a stop loss on SSY. I should have went as many shares as I did on this one, but tis what it is. Just put a stop loss like right there below that 200-day. Let's go FLGC. You can do it. You did me good before. Oh, BATS dropping down. Yeah. We'll give it to 450. Give DATS to 450. That's it. See, right there is where we're getting hung up at. Right at that 11 area. So gotta break soon. My grabber, there's my grabber. So that did not break. FLGC having trouble breaking. SPY going straight up. This is incredible. Carbon border tax proposal. That sounds special. Yeah, we got the market, we got the SPY going straight up and everything else really struggling. This is a really weird Friday, that's for sure. Yikes, 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 yikes. What is going on here? Is the DIA doing the same thing? Well, I know exactly what's going on. The feds are pumping them back up. Yeah, DIA going straight up as well. Nuts. Nuts. So DATS did bounce off that 450. I want to see that hold. There you go, FLGC. Come on. Just a little bit further. Get over that 1134. SSY is looking pretty sketchy. Having trouble getting back over that 10 adaptive. Yeah, BT coming all the way back down so far. Almost back to where it started. I do not like that. There you go, FLGC. Let's get it. Come on. BT, what you doing? Oh my goodness, BT. Is Bitcoin even dropping? No, Bitcoin's pushing up. This damn stock. Just trying to hold back above 1250, but I really don't like that lower upper shadow. Give me just a second, guys. Oops. Yeah, I got in a little bit early today on a couple of things. Okay, FLGC still trying to hold over 11, so that's looking good. If can continue to push up in the last 50 seconds of this candle. BT, you're making me not happy. May possibly have to get out here. SSY, indecision there, followed by this red candle. If it doesn't bounce back up here, it is done. Ooh, I don't like the close on that candle on FLGC. This needs to hold above 11. That candle is ugly. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out on SSY. Should not bought this. Should have waited out that first 30 minutes for sure. It's probably gonna wake me out just because my order's there. Dare, what are you doing? Got no news, no volume. GRNQ sold off after that little push up. Wow, I didn't get stopped out there. Not yet, at least. Trying to hold that 270. BT starting to come back up. Like the way that looks. FLGC pushing back over 11. Your thing. Come on, BT, get back up there. So. DATS is sneaking back up as well, still in this channel here. Yeah, nice channel there, bouncing off the bottom. So DATS still could make a move today. FLGC getting rejected at 11 again. I may have to. Minute 10:55. Says why it's trying to hold so hard here. There's something I'm not seeing. PXLW still slowly climbing. Boy, let's see, who wants corned beef and cabbage? BT head and shoulders. Where are you seeing a head and shoulders at? I don't see a head and shoulders on BT. There you go, FLGC. Get going here. Get going. Break back over that 10-day moving average and let's get frisky. Ain't nothing else getting frisky. FLGC, you get frisky. Oh, on the 1 minute? Yeah, but the 1 minute is such a short time frame. You know. I just got stopped out on SSY, so that's an ugly little loss there. Yeah, see... oh, I'm looking at FLGC. I'm wrong thing. Oh, yeah, there was a head and shoulders there on the 1 minute. Yeah, I didn't see that. So I was looking at the 5 minute. It's not it on the 5 minute. There's not a head and shoulders there. So that's the thing with the 1 minute. It can be tricky. That time it was pretty accurate. But a lot of times, if you've got a stop moving in the uptrend on the higher time frames, then those head and shoulders on the 1 minute don't usually do too much. Go on, FLGC, get up there. I need some wins today. They're starting out with one stupid loss. You too, BT. Gotta make me proud. I represent the crypto stocks. Bitcoin's almost up to 48,000. Where's Ether? Ether is almost at 3,300. Let's go. There you go, FLGC. Now you're moving. There you go. Get on up there. See if you can break at break 12. What did I get at this? 20? Yeah. DATS coming back over 5. I might grab some more DATS here. DPW popped up. How much more do you got in your FLGC? You're gonna stop here at 12. Or you gonna break through it? Looks like it's gonna try to test it, so I'm gonna hold off for a minute. Let me draw this downtrend right. So that downtrend needs to break on BT soon. Yeah, DATS with a nice little U shape there. At 5. That's still pushing. Very nice. DATS really starting to move, getting up to that 525. I'm on the 15 minute. No wonder. There we go. DATS starting to pop. Let's go. Let's go, you beautiful swing. Man. I don't know, BATS. I'm going to put a stop loss in BATS. I just don't know where to put it. What am I in? 13, so 50 on 30 be $15. Actually, I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Fun FLGC. Need to see you break at $12. DATS. If it can hold above the channel, hold above this channel top, this support, this resistance at 530. Start building support at 530. It could continue to run. There you go, FLGC. Come on. Come on up there. Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. DATS doesn't have any resistance. DATS is a monster. No, you're right. It did have resistance at 490 and 5 and all that. But this thing has been building up nicely. I mean, it's been bullish since it IPO'd. So obviously there's some buying that's coming in that thinks this is too cheap. That's why I originally swung it. FLGC little pullback there. So we started getting a little action. DIA still pushing up. The market's still pushing. We should be pretty green. Yeah, look how green we are. That line's all wonky. It needs to be drawn like that. There we go. There we go. Oh, my back. What time is it? 9:30. I gotta get going by. I gotta get going by like 10:15. I got a chiropractor appointment at 11. It's supposed to be done, or FLGC a little pullback. I'm supposed to be there by 11, so yeah, it's all the way across town. So DATS pulling back into the channel, but that's alright, as long as it can stay above 5. Be happy there. More upper wicks on BTBT. BTBT needs a real strong buy and push soon if it's going to break out. The highest gainer we have is GRNQ. Ugh, it's almost sickening. I'm gonna let these flop around for a second. BT, what are you gonna do? This actually should be like right at 1250. I want to put a stop loss in really bad on this, but we've already seen one wick that dropped down and then it pushed back up, so I don't want to get wicked out. But there's a lot of selling pressure. You can see all these upper wicks pushing it down. FLGC gonna test 12. Let's go. Let's go for the 12 break. FLGC testing. See 12 on this. 12 on this ask. Struggling a little bit there. FLGC still struggling on 12. BT pushing back up a little bit. Okay, let's see. Looks like we're going to try to test it again. Let's see this 12 pop up. And let's see. Come on. Consolidating right below 12. We are getting close. ATS looks pretty decent there. Randomness all over the place. GovX. Yeah, I ain't seeing much else. Let's see, what's this DIA still pushing up? There we go. FLGC just pushed over 12. What do we hit? We hit 1207, so we got to break 1210 for this thing to keep ripping. Yeah, I'm in FLGC. I'm in FLGC, I'm in my swing DATS, and I'm in BTBT, looking for it to try to get some action back in it. Come on, there you go. Let's see a big push over 12 here. You can do it. There we go. Oof, quick little push. Coming back down though. And BTBT trying to come back up. FLGC, okay, so a little rejection there at 12. I may have to end up locking this out if it can't hold this 10 adaptive. Just basically try to hold right across there, 1145 of support. If you can hold that 1145, it can come back up and test 12. If it can't do it, then we'll have a problem. Yeah, I lost on the SSY. It was a bad trade. Jumping in too early. Is that all you're going to give us? FLGC is just a quick test of $12 and that's it. There is some pretty strong resistance at 12. It was some previous support. If I can get this line drawn, there we go. You can see right there, it was resistance, and then it was support, and now it's holding up as resistance again. So we got 12 is the strong line that we got to break. BTBT coming back up to the downtrend. Bitcoin is just about to 48,000, only a couple of dollars away. So technically I should get a damn FLGC still pulling back. What am I in at? 1055. 1055 is way below everything. It's going to be important to see DATS, or not DATS, but BTBT break back over 1280 soon and then break 13. It really needs to get over this 13 area. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to take a quick little All right, so BTBT breaking over this downtrend. Can remove that, pushing back up to 13. DATS having a little pull back to 5. Then FLGC trying to hold that area of support. If it can hold that, it'll be all right. Taking GovX off. Trash. Yeah, FLGC is struggling to hold there. This 5-minute candle's fixing to close. We need to see FLGC try to close over 1150. If not, it could dump. MICR. I'll throw it on here. There you go. There we go. Come on, hold over 1150. 10 seconds. Very nice. BTBT coming back up to 13. Can it break 13 and get going? FLGC still struggling. Hold that area. And he pushing back up. This PRT doesn't look bad. Got a wedge right here, a little triangle, possible breakout. Breaking 950, SPRT could start running. Now, if FLGC can't hold up here, it's going to come back down to 11. Should be pretty strong support at 11. Here we go. Come on, BTBT. Come back alive. You spilled the secrets, Lauren. What you doing? You can't be speaking the secrets. Yeah, so it does look like FLGC is going to come back down to 11. I might keep holding it because it is uptrending. As long as it can hold 11. Andrew's at 1055, so BTBT. Got to do the thing. This could be a triangle. If it doesn't break out here, then it'll come back down to like 1260 and consolidate some more. But I would rather see it start breaking out now than waiting for it to come back down. Yep, FLGC, exactly what I thought. So that 1150 support did not hold. I want to see 11 hold at this point. Got increasing volume on BTBT, looking pretty decent there. There you go. Come on. Bitcoin over 48,000. Ooh, Bitcoin's gonna probably test 50 today. Oh, my sweet, sweet cryptos. And this is why BTBT should go. It's because we're getting very, very bullish in the crypto market. I don't give you nothing but abuse, Daniel B. Really? You're going to try to play the victim card here? You going to try to play the victim card on me? I will take that victim card and I will pee on it and then I'll catch it on fire. Well, at least you're honest. That's why I like in my moderators. That's why One Life's a moderator. He's usually pretty honest. You know, admitting that you probably won't use the moderation tool at all. Hey, I'll take it. As real as you can be about it. I appreciate that, but probably won't use it. All right, cool. Keep it anyway. All right, BTBT. It's time to get frisky. I've stood by your side, BTBT. I've defended you. You did me wrong, and I'm still coming back again for more because you did me right in the first place. Come on. You just got to break that 1350. Bitcoin almost to 49, halfway there. 48.5. Come on, a little bit more, BTBT. Let's get frisky. Let's get frisky. DATS starting to get a little frisky again, coming back up to the top of the channel. Beautiful U-shape, possible test there. Do I want to add to this? Do I want to add? Do I want to add? I don't know yet. We'll see. There you go. Come on. You're almost there. A little farther. Bitcoin's almost to 49. Yeah, good solid strength there, breaking that downtrend. I just got to break 1350. You're so close. FLGC trying to hold here. That's where I want to see it hold at. Everything is moving so slow today. FLGC back up to 1115 area. Oh, let's see. Come on. There you go. Saw there's some selling on the ask at 1340. We got buying volume increasing. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there we go, breaking over 1340. Let's see a test of 1350. We're gonna test it. Let's test it. Let's see. So this candle's fixing to close. 10 seconds here. This is probably going to see if it can push back up. DATS coming back down right at the last minute. Had a sell off down that area. Alright, FLGC has got to break this downtrend on this candle. If it does not break this downtrend, it's going to sell back off. A little indecision there, followed by a red candle. So we're going to need to see this candle push back up. Yeah. There we go. BTBT breaking 1350. How much more you got in you? Should see up to 14 if it can confirm this breakout here. Running Waters Fishery. Here we go. FLGC bouncing. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, come on back up. Actually broke over the downtrend there a little bit. There you go, FLGC. Do your thing. Do your thing. BTBT, we need to break a 1350. I want to see some friskiness. You boys show me some friskiness out here. It's a damn stock market doing. Oh, little curl over there. Ooh, yeah, we might see some droppy drops coming. There you go, BT. Now explode time. Nope, still not yet. God bless, I drew that line crooked. BT having some issues. Apply, okay. BBIG, ADIL. Yeah, I'm not seeing much else. Not seeing much else at all. Oh, close to Palmyra. I have to check my schedule, DB. It's better notice than last time that you gave me. Just send me the details on Skype, I guess. Since you don't have any social media. By the way, guys, I am on Twitter now. So if you love that nonsense app called Twitter, you can find me on there. I'm posting whatever stuff comes to my mind. We'll see how long I last on Twitter without getting banned. But yeah, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, I'll put it in the chat here. I'm showing my age. What do you mean? What am I doing showing my age? I'm an old man. I'm an old fat little hairy man. I'll follow you. I'll follow you one life. I don't care. I follow you on IG, man. I get your little updates and notices all the time. Oh, here you go. Whoa, that's not what I wanted to click. That went way off there. Oh, Skype. Yeah, well, that's the only way I know how to communicate with DB because he erased his Facebook and his Facebook Messenger and he has no other social media. And I don't have his phone number, so can't really get a hold of him. Old man, but still virgin. There you go. There's the Twitter handle. So you can find me on Twitter if you want to. Yeah, I don't even use Skype anymore. I've been using Discord a lot for the video chats and recordings and stuff. It's quite a bit better. We'll give the live stream about 15 more minutes here, and then like I said, I gotta get going. I gotta get to my chiropractor appointment because my age. Lauren calling me out. I give you the wrench. I give you the power, and then you already start dissing me. I'm just kidding, Lord. You made $0? Well, right now I'm having a red day, but I'm green on my swing and these two trades I'm in currently. Just waiting on them to do a little bit more. See, what does FLGC looking like? Oh yeah, FLGC back in that channel. Very nice. Starting to curl up. Needs to break back over 1150 though if it's going to continue to run. And BTBT just having a little pullback but holding up that 1325 area. And DATS just being a slow guy like it is, holding up $5. But yeah, MICR. Ooh. That was an OTC stock. Just going sideways. Very choppy and ugly. I don't like that. Do not like that at all. Come on, FLGC. What are you doing? Boy plunger? I don't know what you're talking about. GovX. The good thing about GovX is it is above all EMAs. There seems to be some good support in that area. I don't know if it's going to run back up as high as it did, but maybe you can get a scalp up to 7 or something, possibly. I don't know who Boy Plunger is. I don't know what y'all are talking about. Freaking me out, though. You're freaking me out, man. These schnozberries taste like schnozberries. Good morning, Fat Boy Drizzy. See, you got, for one, you got to see a trend reversal on this, and it's not had it yet. So if you draw the trend line attaching all the candles, it's basically that $7 that it has to break. So it may come up to 7, but it easily could get rejected like it did here and here off of the downtrend and could come back down. So that's why I don't like it that much. Now if it breaks 7, then it will turn into a bit of a different story. Well, if it breaks and holds 7 as support, it'll turn to a different story. Come on, FLGC. You know you want to push back to 12. Basically trying to hold up 1320, it looks like right now. See, NE still coming up. PUHN, nothing there. DPW, nothing there. And BT coming back down again. So you got French toast. There's nutmeg and brown butter. There's a lot of different things you can put in French toast. I know some people like to make it with cinnamon. Um, I've definitely heard nutmeg. I like I like black pepper on mine, but I like black pepper on everything, so that's not saying much. So BTBT coming back down to test 13. Let's see if it can hold 13 as support. Yeah, it looks like it's going to try. Oh, I'm probably going to be ending up holding these for a while because all we're doing is consolidating right now. What was the SPY doing? Going sideways? Yeah, right now the SPY's consolidating. Looks like it is probably going to have that breakdown here soon. So I do not know. Yeah, man. What is what background noise? Oh, you're hearing a little diddly diddly diddly, like a shh. I can't copy that noise. I don't know. It's a weird noise. No, I don't have a fan on it. It's probably my computer. I'm running this. Well, I'm not running it right at this moment, but I'm running this crypto tab, and it just mines Bitcoin for you. So I can turn it all the way on max, but it'll probably make everything run a little slower. But it mines Bitcoin, and this is a browser, web browser. So it's a pretty fast web browser. I like it, and I get paid Bitcoin to use it. So yeah, yeah, I'm mining. I mean, I'm technically not mining it myself. It's just this browser mines for you. Like, I'm not having to go through the process. It's just, getting the blocks, mining a little Bitcoin at a time. So if anybody's interested in this crypto tab here, here's the link to it. Check it out. TATS with another pullback. FLGC holding above 11. Pretty strong there. Just needs to get back above that 1150. BTBT bouncing off the 40 DMA, looking pretty decent. And I'm not seeing too much else. Nope. SPY. Looks like it's trying to come back up. Let me see. Let's pull up Trading View. There's the Sambo. What the hell? Hold on just a second, guys. He's barking weird. That's not. All right. I'm going to do the ante video when I get caught up, man. You should see the list of all there. Let me show you. Let me show you the list of all the damn videos I got to record. My video editor that I had pretty much ghosted out on me, so now I got to get another new one. But yeah, here's all the videos I need to record, and you can see right there, One Life, any review. No, I can't knock out 10 videos in a day. You know how much time it takes to edit? I could probably record 10 videos in a day, but editing them, man, editing takes time. Recording's not that hard. It's the editing part. Like it's not that I can just record a video and post it. I gotta edit it. I gotta make the thumbnail. I gotta do the SEO research. Plus, Monday through Sunday, I do the daily crypto update videos. So that's one video that's gotta be done every day, Monday through Friday. I do the last rip videos, and you know those gotta be done the day of. So that's 2 videos Monday through Friday, plus a live stream here Monday through Friday for 2 to 3 hours. So that's 15 videos just right there on the stuff that I have to do every week. Now throw on top the other videos. I get them done as quick as I can, but without an editor, it's a slow process for me. I just need to bang it out guerrilla style. Listen, man, I've got videos to edit right now. That was just my recording list. I still got a few videos that I got to edit right now. That survival guide for a broken economy, I'm still working on. That video was an hour and a half long recording. And I gotta cut it down quite a bit, so I've got it partially edited. I'm like 30% done with that video, but there's a lot of important information, a lot of good information in that survival video. So I'm trying to get it done as soon as possible. But yeah, like I'm doing at least, 20-ish videos a week automatically. And I got the website to run. And now I got a Twitter. If it wasn't for Orlando, my IG would have died. Orlando is running the Instagram for Framework Fortune. And now I got Twitter. Well, it's only tough being CEO when you start out, when you're building a business. As soon as everything makes a lot more money, then I can hire people. And then I don't have to do quite as much. But, that's part of being an entrepreneur. You start out, you got to do it all by yourself. See, FLGC still trying to hold 11. BTBT looking pretty decent. DATS bouncing off at 200, trying to come back up. So yeah, if there's not any questions or anything, I'm going to go ahead and get going here. I'll give you guys 5 minutes here to ask any questions that you may have or anything. I'm basically gonna hold these for a little bit longer. I'm probably gonna put some stop losses above my entries, so no matter what, I lock in some profit. Yeah, the entry was 10.55. Yeah. I don't know what this dog is barking at. See, FLGC starting to crack 11. See, what's the market look like? Market's starting to turn a little darker. It was all green and fun at the beginning. Let's see. No. SPY's pushing up. Doesn't make sense. The Q's doing a little curl. Yeah, so I don't know why everything's turning more red when the ETFs are pushing up, but whatever. The FLGC trying its best to hold. Needs to break over that downtrend if it can hold 11, but if it doesn't, it's going to drop out. Old Greg might be in my bathroom. It's very possible. Might be hanging out there. Yeah, FLGC bouncing nicely off of 11. PTBT still bouncing. Very good looking. Hey, Mort Greg, would you like a fish? I have a whole bunch of fish. I don't remember what old Greg said, but it's something like that. Oh no, I know what it is. Would you like some Baileys? I have some Baileys in the boot. HH said he covered it this morning on his live stream, what happened to him yesterday after he didn't take any trades. But basically how didn't take any trades during his live stream, didn't like anything, so that was smart yesterday, not forcing anything. And then he took a position on what was it he said? I don't know, but he took a position on a stock later in the day, and he went at 850 shares on it, and he was up 100 and thought he hit sell. He wasn't at his normal computer setup. He was doing his business and stuff and was using some other computer, didn't have his buttons or something or another. He was trading somewhere where he shouldn't have been. He wasn't at home in his comfortness of his studio. So he didn't hit the sell button, thought he did, thought he was up $100. Later came back and that stock had crashed pretty hard and he was not out of it. So He took a pretty nasty loss on that one. It was like 500, something like that. Pretty nasty loss, but he's still green on his account. Just gotta move on. You want to go to a club where people wee on each other? Lauren, you said a lot of stuff that is interesting to say the least. Oh, minus 580. So yeah, I didn't know what the exact number was. I forgot because I talked to him about it yesterday. I didn't talk to him this morning about it. But yeah, man, you know, sometimes things happen. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. But yeah, Lauren, you got a special side to you. I ain't gonna say too much else, but some of the stuff you said, I think you got a little sneaky side to you. 580, not bad. It's pretty bad. I don't know about not bad. That's pretty bad if you ask me. So there we go. FLGC popping back up. Oh damn, I gotta get going. I didn't realize it was 10:20. Yeah, definitely small account being dangerous. Yeah, I mean any account. You don't want to take a $500 loss if you can help it. Biden will match his loss. Biden doesn't know that he's Biden. Biden thinks he's in the movie Waterworld. Now that shows my age there. Who all has seen the Waterworld movie? That was back in the day, but that's still one of my favorite classic movies. Alright guys, I gotta get going. I'll let you guys know. He's just Biden this time, yeah. BLNK, Who's trading F? Who trades Fords? Or Ford? Let's see, real quick before I go, let's check around. So GovX is still trying to climb up to that 7, so it could get a possible move. We will see. Waterworld was great. See, look at there. You know what's up, Lauren. You know what's up. So, alright, guys. I'm going to call it today, guys and girls, all of that. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. We'll be back Monday for some more live stream trading. If I can, I may try to do some live crypto trading over the weekend. Don't know yet, but I'll let you guys know. Have a great weekend. It is the weekend. Enjoy your days off from trading and get ready to come back Monday for whatever the market is going to bring us, because I have no idea. But yeah. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.